The Journal of Grimm 150, Stupiditum Disorder Impulsive Type in Sunshine in a Bag, posted on January 3, 2014 by SAGE DOYLE. January 3, 2014. I'm going to leave the institution on Monday. It will be roughly a month since I've been here, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to face the world. However, I had enrolled in school and Pete told me that classes start on 14th, but I haven't even registered for my classes yet. Going to school could be a good thing for me, keep me busy. I can't change my hours at work until I know what my schedule is. Fortunately, I already almost have 2 years of college under my belt. I've gotten all the requirements out of the way for the most part. Funny thing though, I'm majoring in psychology, and I've been in a psych ward more than once. I think that will help me do well at the job though, down the road. It will allow me to incorporate humanity into my practice. I also won't fall for all the bullshit some clients tell their therapists. I heard that you can't be a good psychologist or someone in that field unless you've been on the other side. They usually recommend counseling as a simple way of getting the feel for what a patient experiences. Well, I've been pretty far on the other side, so maybe I'll be a fantastic fucking counselor or whatever I want to be. When I get out, I'll have about a week to get organized, register, buy the books, and alter my work schedule, then classes start. I want to be sure I still have my blues Mondays, and I want to be able to come back on Saturdays and visit Bogart. After getting out, I'll be dealing with those technicalities, and then I'll commence school, so I'll be too busy to have to face anyone. I don't want compassionate looks or scrutinizing glances. I don't want a consoling hand on my shoulder or arm or back. I don't want people to look at each other when I walk out of the room. I mean, it's nice that people care, but that stuff just embarrasses me and makes me feel pathetic. Though, I guess if they didn't do that shit, then I'd wonder if anyone cared at all and just feel bad for myself. So I'm thinking now that people obviously caring is better, even if it makes me feel like a loser that they have to experience that kind of sympathy for me. I haven't been reading too much either, which is disappointing, but the fact that I'm working on a novel makes up for that. And I'll be doing plenty of reading in school. What's it going to take me, a year to complete Steppenwolf? That is pathetic. I blame the drugs and the gangsta. My therapist here told me I could register with the department at the college that helps people with disabilities. I can take Gary Oldman, too, for classes. I can ask for more time on assignments I think. I'm not sure what I need, if anything, but she said that if I find I'm having trouble, we can figure out what accommodations will work best. My disabilities would be mild brain damage from the gangsta that affects processing, substance abuse is a disorder which counts as a disability, depression because of Valentina, and PTSD, which still plagues me. Oh, and stupidity. I think stupidity should be a disorder. And I'm not talking IQ or being cognitively impaired, I'm talking about being just plain stupid, as in doing stupid shit, saying stupid shit, and being stupid to the point that you fuck up in life on a daily basis. I would call the disorder Stupiditum disorder. The more extreme cases would involve people who do the stupid shit without knowing that it's stupid. The clueless people. The first disorder is people like me who do it, but know it's stupid, or recognize immediately when they've put their feet in their mouths, or at least learn from their mistakes. The extreme group doesn't recognize their own stupidity and doesn't learn, and often they blame others and circumstance when fuck-ups happen. This group would be diagnosed with Stupiditum oblivium disorder, or a milder version is cluelessness syndrome. My case is more the Stupiditum disorder, but when there's the impulsive element, when otherwise you would think first and not say or do the stupid shit, but you lack or need to strengthen the impulse control, then it's referred to as Stupiditum disorder impulsive type. That's me. It used to be reckless, but since the gangsta, I have executive functioning problems and impulse control. The motherfucker gave me ADHD. Nah, I don't really have that, but those are pretty much the symptoms. Any behavior that prevents a kid from sitting still in the classroom, shutting up, and being a drone, is a symptom of ADHD. If you're not a programmable robot, you get diagnosed. And you get diagnosed by teachers who have no degree that qualifies them to diagnose the common cold, let alone a disorder listed in the DSM-IV. My name is Grimm and I went off on a tangent and engaged in a rant. That means I have tangential syndrome with ranting features. Or ADHD, a damn hard dick, or KMFAS, kiss my fucking ass syndrome. Yeah, majoring in psychology. Good times will be had by all. The theme song for this journal entry is Gorillaz, Clint Eastwood, because when I walk out of here, I'm walking out with this attitude while I'm wearing my Stepping Wolves and my Eastwood. That's how it's gonna be. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. Gorillaz, Clint Eastwood.